Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and peaceful life. So I've come again here in the video to speak and discuss about this language which I picked for speaking in this YouTube channel. Basically, I know Hindi and English only. So other thing is that I'm also learning Spanish as well, but due to some reasons I'm not able to do that because it takes a lot of time to learn something, and it is basically a journey where you need to give efforts, and after giving efforts you get some sort of result. So it takes a lot of time. So first I just focusing on English language only. So then after I'll try to to learn Spanish as well. So in this video, after getting a good kind of response, one video which I uploaded time management, which in that video I have talked about that basically. So in today's video I'm going to do basically the same thing. I'm going to pick out one important topic which is one important thing which is helpful for our life, and if you implement this thing in your life as well, so you can basically get more focus in your things. So if you want to do that, so you can watch this video till the end. And the thing which I'm going to speak about is mental energy. So this is the thing which I'm going to speak in this video, and how much this important, and how your energy drives your life basically. So let's jump into this video. So I found out there is a book, there is multiple books where I found out like energy is something where you are focusing on that you become basically. And so whatever you are thinking, so you need to keep change your thinking, and for that you need to first implement positive thoughts in your mind, and after that you need to just write down whatever you want to do. And so this is the thing which you need to change. And we are using something like lot of energy while expressing ourselves in argument, and some sort of things which is not related, such as like purchasing some sort of clothes, and for that we are searching consistently, continuous. And other thing is that we are focusing on something we are basically focusing on to impress someone, and for that we spent a lot of money and we spent a lot of time, and then in the end we realize that that doesn't matter a lot. So these are the things which we need to focus on, rather than just we are make ourselves happy. That is more than enough for ourselves. So I found out that in my previous days where I try to express myself more in social media platforms, where there is nothing such as there is no need of expressing myself, because I'm not getting something from there. So basically this kind of social media where people are basically just expressing their energy, and they are not valuing their time. So at the end basically what they are getting is nothing. So this is what which is important. If you are consistent about, and you are basically focusing toward your time, so you will able to basically the time is going to value you. So these all the same thoughts. And so this is the cue card basically. This is the thing which I've spoken in this video. And so it is a practice session, so there is lot of mistakes, and there is lot of out of the topic where I have gone. So this will I'm going to improve in upcoming days. So hope you like this video. Bye bye. Have a good day.